Hey guys, so today is the 14th. It's Saturday, September. It's like 11:45. I'm actually kind of late. I'm currently going to pick up Francisco, which is one of my best friends, and we're going to be going to the store. We're gonna buy some stuff that we need to buy for the bonfire and all that good stuff. So we're gonna go right now. I'm in a rush, but I just wanted to update you guys and start this vlog. And I'm gonna try and vlog as much as I can today because a bunch of friends are coming together. We're gonna play volleyball, soccer, just spend the day at the beach and have a bonfire. So I hope that you enjoy this vlog, and if you do, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. And if you want to subscribe, also you can do that. For some of you guys that might not know, I have a main channel video, so the link to the main channel will be down in the description box. I hope you're having a beautiful day or night, and I'll talk to you guys very soon. I want to show my poor little car. We went shopping and we got all the good stuff. I'm filming everything we got. Oh, can you help me open it? I can't see.
Hold on.
Oh, actually, we should just take it out because we need to move it anyways. Hello. Yeah.
Take it over.
Okay.
Hello. We're here at Ocean Beach. Ah! What the hell? Francisco just threw the volleyball at us. Not very nice, but it's low-key cold. But we're living. Oh! Yes. I have a mom outfit on. It's my mom fake. It's kind of cold. It's kind of chilly. But and here we have, oh, I forgot their names already. Margot. Margot.
You're getting filmed.
Yes, and then Rokaya, and then Jamie.
And I love a nice close-up.
She loves that. How do I flip it around? Oh shit, there we are.
Yeah, we gotta bring it closer. 30 more, you're like in the future, right? Hello.
It's me again.
This is Rokaya, Jamie, this is Sammy.
Yay. Oh, we have Sammy, we have our mascot here. Hello.
Hi.
Sammy.
Sammy,
Hey.
Sammy looks where the food is. Sammy look. No.
Yeah. We love an icon. Living.
Can you film my Coca-Cola?
I know, we should put that in the cooler. Yes.
Okay, they're trying Inca Cola, so I think it's too great. Okay, there you go. Hershey loves this, but I want your first impression.
Look at
It's okay if she doesn't
like hate.
It does. It's a Peruvian
It
cheese.
looks like alien. That's really good. Actually.
It tastes like bubblegum, doesn't it?
It does taste like bubblegum.
That's what everybody tells me.
That pizzazz at the end. Like, it's really good.
Hershey's chugging it.
Oh, here. Okay, cool. Because when the wind comes, like that's where you. Sarita, tell me your experience. Tell yourself.
I'm having a wonderful experience. Although I'm very disappointed at the current moment.
She is supervising the work. This.
Oh,
Nice.
I'm really happy. There's sand in my eyes.
You guys are sweet. Okay, this situation is frustrating because we're trying to, well, I'm not trying to do anything, but they are. And it's not working, right?
It's not, we're struggling.
On. Oh, nice. Working really hard, huh? What are you guys doing?
Dancing, but I don't know where the music went.
Wait, is that Tina?
Shut up.
She's.
I need a beat.
Nice.
Oh God, hella funny.
Don't get a beat.
That's weird. Okay, wait, no, I look bad. We're playing my music. Who's playing music?
I am, but she told me I need to put it down because
Okay.
she's.
Of course.
There's nothing that.
See it on award shows.
Yeah.
Hello. Meet my friend. She's very short, but she's doing really good. She's weird. What did you say? Oh, we need a picture?
Yeah, is it recording?
Yeah.
Take video of Caesar
we ate all of the pita chips and the hummus, like the whole bag.
You?
Me and Rox, but it was so good. Okay, we're full. We can't eat no more.
This.
Are you taking a picture?
Yeah, some people have the light on, some people don't. People in the back don't have any lighting.
I'll pass the marshmallow back.